Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Auto Spotlight feature on Bumble. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bumble application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the profile icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you can see a gear icon at the upper left corner. Click on it to access your settings. Now, you can see Auto Spotlight option here. Bumble will use Spotlight automatically to boost your profile when most people will see it. Click on the toggle to enable it. After that, click on Got It button. Now, the Auto Spotlight feature will be enabled. To disable the Auto Spotlight feature, you can simply toggle this switch off and click on Got It button. So, that is how you can enable or disable Auto Spotlight feature. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.